my name is Shep, and today we're going to be changing the rear shock absorbers on the Cobalt SS. Let's go. I have here today are the KYB shocks from zzperformance.com. Check them out if you got a Cobalt as well. Alright, first things first, let's get the car jacked up and put on jack stands. Alright guys, now we're going to crack the wheel. Always place your tire under the car in case your jack stand fails. Now I know this isn't the right tool for the job, but my socket set does not have the right size socket. We're going to be in a bind later. Alright guys, so I have found a socket that fits. I'm going to bust out the trusty torque wrench, it's the only one I got right now that's big enough, and set it to max. Alright, those are both broken free. So now we're going to take our jack and support this guy a little bit. And the reason we're doing this is so our spring doesn't come shooting out at us. see. This bad boy is actually not too bad, but it is leaking, so we're gonna replace it. Grab our new shock. Get her fitted. That started with our hands. And then to get the bottom one in, you may have to compress the shock a little bit. All right, get that started. Let's get our top torqued. My car, it's top 40, bottom 60. You need to check online for your specs. There we go, we got a click. Let's put in our bottom. Once we got that bolt starting to go in on the bottom, we can let our jack down a bit, give it some leeway.
Do ba 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 do boo do a boo ba do ba do boo boo ba do a do ba do ba do.
All right, guys, we got the new shocks in. Let's take it for a test drive.
Ba do ba do a do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do ba do.
Nice improvement, it's riding smoother. Let's get up here to a corner and see how the turning is. With significantly less body roll, it's always a plus. Taking corners faster, breaking the wall. Here's a little tunnel pull for you. We love that. All right, I'll see you guys when we get there and give you the rundown of what I noticed. Guys, we made it to our destination. Car feels worlds better. I can't wait to see you in the next one when we do more work on the Cobalt.